Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x is equals to 3, 3 power y is equals to 2, and we have to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm considering it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So first I'm taking equation number 1. So 2 power x is equals to 3. Now I'm going to multiply with power y to both sides. So it becomes 2 power xy according to the exponent rule, x power m power n. We can write it as x power mn is equals to 3 power y. So as per equation number 2, the value of 3 power y is 2. So we can replace this. So 2 power xy is equals to 2. If any number has no power, that means its power is 1. So if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So we can say that xy is equals to 1. So if I isolate the value of x, or I will divide both sides by y. So the value of x is 1 over y. Now we have to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y plus 1. So here in place of x, I am going to put the value 1 over y. So 1 over 1 plus y plus 1 plus 1 over y plus 1. So first I am going to solve this part. So 1 over, the LCM is y, and here is 1 plus y plus 1 over y plus 1. So in this case, we put this y here. So we can write it as y divided by 1 plus y plus 1 over y plus 1. So if I'll take the LCM is y plus 1, and here is y plus 1. So we can eliminate it. So the value of this expression is equals to 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.